Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out another tutorial. So today I am showing you guys my invisible individual crochet technique. Now this is a video clip from a previous video that I did do, so I'm literally just speeding through it. If you guys want a super detailed tutorial on my braid pattern for invisible individual illusion braid pattern, then you can click the link down below and there'll be a detailed video. This one is just briefly skimming over how I do it because I've done it in videos so many times, but I did want to add it here to this video because this particular install came out really dope, so I wanted you guys to be able to see what I'm doing. So I basically separated my hair in front and back. I then put a middle part down the middle. Then I sectioned off like a ½ inch section and box braided 4 box braids. Then I separated a really thin section and clipped that to the side. And then I did 4 more box braids that I only braided halfway down. So now I have 3 sections to do a cornrow with. 2 braided sections and 1 really thin section in the middle. I left 1 braid out in the front because this gives a more seamless and a more individual look instead of having the cornrows starting with that first initial braid. I find that when the braids are you know, that first braid is out in the front, it looks more natural, and I just do an individual on that 1 braid. Then you just cornrow down your hair as you normally would for a crochet in the back. But you want to make those braids a little small. So I did about 4 on either side. Now this is me the day that I'm actually installing this hair. I'm reusing this braid pattern. I actually had already installed crochets on that braid pattern because that was like a week ago. So now I'm reusing it so you can tell the braids are older, but you can still use it because this foundation is very solid. So what I did was just pulled out the braids in the front that were like you could just see that the braid was like stretched too far. So when the braid is stretched too far, you can really clock the cornrow, and I didn't want that. So I took those out. So the hair I'm using today is the Toceana Wavy Locs 24 inch, and there's 8 bundles in each pack, and each bundle has 12 locks on it. So this one bundle pack of an 8-pack was enough to do my whole head, and I had 1 pack left over. So this is what the locks look like. The hole at the top is small, but it's easy to work with. I thought it would be hard to work with, but it wasn't, even though the hole is small. So you're gonna just install it as you normally would, but what I did find, you don't want to pull the lock through like in the middle of the shaft of the lock. You want to go all the way down to where like the wavy hair is about to start, and use that section to pull through. Otherwise you damage the lock when you pull it through. So when you're going ahead and crocheting the hair on this braid pattern, you're going to place a lock on each individual box braid, and then you're going to fill in and place a lock in between those individual box braids to conceal the cornrow that's underneath. So you want to place a lock on each individual box braid. Then you want to place a lock in between the boxes to disguise the cornrow. So hopefully that makes sense. You can watch and see what I'm doing. If this video isn't detailed enough for you, trust me, I have so many videos on this braid pattern and installing crochets on it. You can definitely check out my playlist, and you can definitely like get a concept of what I'm doing. But I just love this braid pattern. I've said this so many times. I've worked really hard, and I'm continuing to work on perfecting this braid pattern for you guys. I feel like it's really close to being perfect, to be honest, because I've been doing it for almost 2 years now. So yeah, I really love this braid pattern. I love the way the crochets come out. It is the most versatile illusion braid pattern I've tried to date, because you can literally part the hair anywhere and wear the hair any way you want without the cornrows showing. The braid pattern underneath just does not show. So definitely let me know if you guys have tried this braid pattern out. I absolutely love these crochets as well. These crochets are brand new. I don't even think there's a bunch of tutorials on them just yet because they just kind of came out with them. Toyotress is a really good crochet company. They really like come out with innovative crochets and different and interesting looks, and their quality is really great. They sell on Amazon, so their shipping is really fast, and you know, if you don't like anything, you know, Amazon is easy with returns and things like that. So I definitely stand by Toyotress. I've been working with them for years. I've been working with them even before they were on Amazon. I was working with them when you had to buy them like in a beauty supply store or online, and I love Toyotress, so you know, I'm gonna stick beside it. I'm gonna stick beside it. But yeah, I love these. I want to try these in a different length. I don't even know if they're available in a different length, but I absolutely want to try them in a different length and also in a color, because I think this crochet is just absolutely beautiful. This hair is so different. It's like nothing I've seen before. What I will say is these are not like the most lightest weight and fluffiest crochets I've tried, so they definitely have like some density to them, but they really feel like real. So I like that about them. The hair on the ends is so soft and lustrous, like it has a really healthy and pretty shine, and the hair on the ends like really does feel good. That's another pet peeve that I have, is like crochets that have hair on the end, and the hair that's like loose hair doesn't feel good. But this hair is really soft. It has a really nice like wave to it, and then like it tapers off really nicely at the ends as well. It's just got a really natural look to it, like it's well thought out and well executed. So I'll leave links down below to where you could try this hair, and let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna stop talking so you guys can finish watching the video. I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts at the end. Really quick, I also wanted to remind you guys to make sure you like the video. Give the video a thumbs up. It really helps me to get through this crazy YouTube algorithm. Sharing the video is huge as well. If you could please just share if you know someone that likes to do crochets or would like to try these new crochets out. I would love it if you shared this video with them.
His body, baby. His body, baby. Oh, na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh, na na. Oh, na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh, na na. Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. So pass up me on the family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah, nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I'm a pretty fine westerner. Nah, nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Ha, she feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha, she's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at you come back again. What's up for me pay or chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. Ginger me. How they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then. And we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing, she hold a bad man, she want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we grinding. Make you ginger me, how they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me. Hey, hey. Carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man.
Okay, you guys, so I installed all the crochets. Now I'm just working on my baby hairs. I just did slight baby hairs this time, just like 4 swoops, I think, or maybe 3 swoops, and just my sideburns. The edge control I'm using today is from my own brand. It's GLEEmade. This edge control is available on my website, and it's also available on Amazon. A bunch of my GLEEmade products are available on Amazon at the moment, so I'll definitely leave those in the links in the description box down below if you want to try out some black owned edge control.
Original Batman.
It's Vickles.
She give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me heart. Fine girl a coming on me heart, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so, put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me heart. Man I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me heart. Man I step in at the yard, make the girls them say I ain't a bad man, and they want to say I. She ain't a bad man, they want to feel. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I ain't a bad man, and they want to say I. She ain't a bad man, they want to feel.
Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. I did go ahead and throw some makeup on. If you guys want to see a makeup tutorial, I haven't done one in ages, but I kind of have a new makeup routine these days. Just something really simple that's kind of my go-to look, but I'm kind of loving it. So if you guys want to see a makeup tutorial, let me know. Also, the outfit description will be in the info box down below and links to this outfit. I do have a bunch of clothing hauls up on my channel and even more coming. So if you like affordable clothing hauls, then make sure you're subscribed and you have your notification bell on. Just final thoughts on this hair. I absolutely love this hair. Like, look how luscious it looks. Look how gorgeous it looks. Now, this is definitely a lot of hair, you guys. You don't have to install this much hair, but I actually really like it looking really full like this. I'm actually kind of like vibing with it. I really like it. This length is so perfect as well. It's 24 inches. And it's just like luscious and gorgeous. Like, look, I can't stop touching it, looking at it. Like, even just looking back on it right now, like, this hair is gorgeous. So I would definitely say give it a try if you like wavy crochets and you want to try a new crochet style that I really haven't seen anything like this on the market as yet. Now, I want to try this as a actual individual crochet install. I think this hair is the perfect candidate for it. I'm terrible at individual crochet, but even I was able to do the individual crochet on the 4 individual braids that I had at the front of my head. And since it was so easy for me to install those 4, I'm like, bruh, I probably could do a full head of individuals with this hair, just because it would make it so easy to install for me. So let me know if you guys want to see a full head of individuals on this. This is the first hair that I feel compelled to do that with, because I just think it would be so gorgeous. I mean, it's beautiful like this, and this is definitely a time saver if you don't like doing individuals like me. but I just feel like this hair would be gorgeous with it. Anywho, you guys, thank you so much for watching the video, for staying till the end. Like this video. Let's try to get a bunch of likes on this. Share this video. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, peace out.
She give me pon me hard, say she give me pon me hard. Fine girl, I come in on me hard, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so, put the thing up.